I figured, or he wanted to do like an update of where we're at right now.
Oh.
Before we try it.
So the update is we're gonna see if this blows up.
So we have the drive shaft in. It got made by a shop in town.
Shout out Simmons.
Yeah, Simmons in Tucson is actually a really good place for drive shafts to be made. We have power steering lines.
We can't drive it.
Why not?
Look how dirty the windshield is.
I drive with windshields that dirty all the time. Coolant's all burped, exhaust, throttle cable. I had to actually bend the throttle pedal a whole lot to make it work because we had to widen the tranny tunnel and that got into the way of the gas pedal. Brakes are all bled. I'm still trying to figure out the cluster, so we don't have a cluster, but that's fine. We don't need a cluster. We're kind of at the point where we just want to see if it'll run and drive. Oh yeah, shifter cable. We had to get a B&M universal, and then I had to make some brackets for it to work. We have fenders now. Also, Judy should be coming by today, so it'd be cool to know that it'll move under its own power before she gets here as well. That way, when it does, hopefully there aren't any surprises when she's in it with us or we're showing her that it moves. You don't have the newspaper. That's how you clean windows properly.
The news is this truck's not gonna even make it out of the parking lot, so it doesn't matter.
I don't want it to come out of the parking lot. It doesn't have taillights. It doesn't have a license plate on it. Stay in the parking lot.
I'm gonna go on Old Vale. I'm taking it for a top speed run.
Top speed run, yeah.
We're doing the Texas Mile on Old Vale. Does no one sell a gauge cluster that just plugs into an OBD port?
I've found them and they all say stuff about it, and then most of them say 2006 and up, which is the CAN bus shit that this doesn't have.
Oh. There's gotta be one that fucking... It's just a live data thing, that's all it is.
Yeah. So, I'm guessing it's gonna be like a Holly thing, but they're like $800 to $1,000.
Wow. Straighten out the wheels.
You wanna hop in?
No.
All right. All right, you get that.
Oh, is this door shut?
I don't know. That's a good sign.
That's a better sign.
It moved.
It stopped.
It moved and it stopped. What else do you need in the car?
Bring up it.
I mean, steering feels good. Neutral. Drive. I think you want to grab it.
Got our gauge cluster.
This is different. Driving this truck.
Yeah. Not pushing it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Too torquey.
We might need to get some better brake pads for her. That took a while.
Oh yeah, it's gonna definitely need some fucking better brakes.
I mean, if you push on them decently, it'll...
Yeah.
No ABS, so...
How much throttle was that?
I don't know, like 20 or 30%.
Oh God. Where's Dave at?
Where is Dave?
His door's ain't open. And I'm watching this to make sure it doesn't
Yeah, we have our
overheat.
gauge cluster going on. Smooth, actually. Yeah.
Good so far.
Only a year. Yeah. Nope. We're gonna keep the diff together.
Yeah. She'll have more than enough power. Get on it. We're out here filming, dude.
All right, let's do it going towards the shop.
You can go all the way back to that green thing over there. Dude.
No, we're not going that. Well,
Yeah.
no, I don't want to do the bump. It's smoother over there.
Oh. Engine temp's sitting at 162. It's pretty good.
That's definitely good.
Oh,
And it
fuck.
broke
It was
the tires loose.
it was just spinning the whole time.
Yeah.
Just left some 11s.
We did. Well, it's open diff, so maybe it was just one tire.
It was
but-
2.
It was?
I saw. I went back. There was 2.
Well,
I like how all those things line up too.
except for park.
Oh.
Yeah. Reverse does. It's got the little red thingy there. Neutral, drive. But park doesn't.
Well,
Can't win them all.
yeah. Pick our battles here.
Yeah. How'd it sound?
Nice. Heard you jump on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You hear it just completely break the tires loose?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were rolling, floored it, and then just no traction.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That was very exciting.
Yeah.
Very exciting. Good job by you guys. Very exciting.
Mm-hmm.
And it sounded good too.
Yeah, no, that's like,
And then your exhaust sounded good too.
we knew you wanted to be quiet. We didn't know how it was going to sound, and we're just happy that it actually does sound good.
Oh,
It wound up, yeah, we were talking about it because I think it wound up like kind of perfect because it's like real nice and quiet, just cruising around and like driving it normal. Then you get on, it's got a little nice little tone to it, you know?
That's why I was asking him if he said that all the, the pumpkin and all that connected nice. And I was asking him whether he was pleased with the fact that, from here to the middle to the end now, all seems to be working together. And Brandon said yes.
Yeah.
So I was very excited about
Yeah.
it too. So now then, what's left other than the
The
gas
wiring?
leaking out of the
Yeah.
bottom?
The wiring, the gas,
of-
other little shakedown stuff.
It's lots of wires and little crap, just, yeah. Buttoning
So
up
it's
all the last.
The display's the biggie.
Yeah, the display, I got to call them on Wednesday and see if they can help me walk through it. And then we'll go from there for getting the display and everything working
That's
on
what's
there.
fighting you right now.
And then, yeah, the rest of it, I was looking up earlier the diagrams to get like the windshield wiper stuff all set up and other things like that. So I'll have those diagrams and whatnot. But now that the hard thing of it driving is out of the way, it's just sit down and do a bunch of wiring.
The power steering rack for the truck, the lines are a custom-made hybrid of
A Corvette line
a
and your
Corvette
line.
line and your line that he welded together, and then one universal line, and then the reservoirs from like a 09, or no, like
the
a
reservoir is from an
2015.
06. It's an 06 Kia Sorento.
Yeah.
And then the
upper hose.
upper line that goes from the reservoir to the pump is from a 2009 Subaru Outback.
It should work real good.
It took me a while to find the lines that all looked
That's why
right.
she calls it Frankenstein.
It is
It is, yeah.
Frankenstein, 100%.
Whole truck. Look how nice, Fred. Look
Yeah.
the work you did.
Look at this.
Show me the drive shaft.
Oh, it's this guy.
This guy right there.
Yeah, that's my new one.
Yeah. So it's a very big piece of metal that
Was it hard for you to put on?
no, they made it super easy to put
Yeah,
on.
it fits like a factory drive shaft.
Look
It's
at
nice.
this. And you could actually hear it a little bit, Fred.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
when
yeah.
You floored it.
Oh yeah.
Did you put the little pretty thing on?
Oh, the exhaust tip? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the kids have.
That's what the kids have.
So this is the new one.
Yes. That's the one that should have stayed on your truck from the beginning.
Thank you.
I really mean it.
Yeah.
If it works out just positive for you.
Yeah.
And thanks for doing, what you're doing.
No problem. Yeah, we're
Thanks for looking out for me as far as the safety kind of stuff. And
yeah, one of the two of us has to be reasonable, you know?
Judy is ecstatic. That's about as close to jumping up and down as we can get from Judy. But I'm happy that she's ecstatic. We have more stuff to do, but I don't know, we'll just keep chopping away at it, and if we get happy or Fred pushes us enough, she might get a Christmas present.
Just get it done.
That's all it is.